weird. I hit the button and nothing happened, so I had to hit the button again. Is it recording now? Yes, it's recording now. Okay, so we have Mystery Power Box, which, you know, oops, sorry. Let me just take it right off the screen. Okay, in the Mystery Power Box, there's a 1 in 10 chance of getting a vintage. We never do, but we still open them occasionally. And then the new Thunder Edition one I've not opened yet. It doesn't have a vintage, but you get 6 packs and a promo card. So I figured why not? Because the Walmarts around here are picked clean. So when I found one of these, I was like, okay, whatever. Okay, so the promo card in these always seems like it's Ash's Pikachu. It's non-hollow, but it's cute. I'll add it to the list. Okay, so we got Guardians Rising, Steam Siege, Lost Thunder, Breakpoint, Lost Thunder, Sun and Moon. So we'll open them by the way that they came out. I have no idea which one of these came first. Oh, I know, we've been out school shopping all day. We went all day. We went hard all day. A lot.
Too many to count on one hand.
Ooh, too many to count on 2 hands. We went to the malls. We went everywhere. But we got most of what we need, except for pants. Nobody got pants. Mareep, Litwick, Hoppet, Reverse Litwick, and Druddigan. I like Druddigan. He looks just sour all the time. Poor little ugly thing. I'm sorry. Stuff them in the blue box. Help Mama out. We went to Rue 21. Is that what it's called? And Old Navy. All kinds of places. Honage, Ducklet, Shelter, Reverse Drowsy looking all weird. Shift Tree non-hollow. We're off to a good start. 2 non-hollows.
By the way, you know what can do this one.
What?
Especially if you get an electric one. Or a,
What are you talking about?
if you get Eevee card.
Oh. I'm like, what?
You know I would do this.
Oh, I forgot to do the guess the energy game. Okay. Still waiting on one of you guys to tell me how to say this Pokemon's name.
Okay, let me see.
Become a sea cucumber. I'm telling you, it looks like a turd with flaming hot Cheetos. Tell me I'm wrong.
No, because it has a bunny cat.
Okay, so it's got some toilet paper stuck to it. Hypno, G-Fly, Dratini, Spearow, Psyduck, Eevee.
I don't want it.
Fine. Alolan
You don't
Meowth,
get Alolan
and
one.
you can't have it. You
What is
can't
it?
have it.
What
I'm
is it?
sorry, I don't have it yet.
I love that. Looks like
It's Umbreon GX.
That's
I'm
already
sorry. Yeah, Umbreon GX Rainbow. I don't have it yet, so you can't have it. I'm really sorry. I'm really not. I don't care. I'm happy I pulled it. Let's immediately get this guy into a sleeve just because I don't know if it's worth anything or not, but I always try to take care of them. Out of that box. You can open all those if you want. On the video. She's over here trying to open stuff off video. What's the point in buying stuff for videos if you're gonna open it all off? Guess the energy turd. I'm going with Dark in honor of Umbreon. Stop fighting. I guess it would probably be closer to you. Marini, Sableye, go away dog. Ooh, Litwick, Clefairy, Reverse Petalil, and Probopass with his great big old nose. Somebody get him a tissue. Go away dog. Oh! Well, there's you a code since I just threw the cards literally everywhere. And I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, Oh, hi, princess. Guess the energy. It's fighting. I already looked. Well, I threw it everywhere. Custom Catcher, Fairy Charm, Cute Little Snubble, Slugma, Pick-a-Peck, Bruxish, Dedenne, Reverse Ampharos, and Sceptile GX.
Ooh, we're gonna get a lot of good things.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Not great, but not bad. Okay, last pack. I never get last pack magic, so we'll just
Get cursed,
curse you, Leonhardt, for taking all the pack magic. Guess the energy. Shove these in there. Guess the energy. Guess the energy. Guess the energy. Give me a color. Hurry up. Give me a color. 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 We're gonna go fairy because she's got pink hair.
I have a purple
Oh,
hair that's.
Fire!
I go pink and dark.
Grovyle, Custom Code Catcher, Fairy Charm, Blitzel, Slowpoke, Bruxish, Larvitar, Carbink, Reverse Pick-a-Peck, non-hollow Lapras, but I dig the artwork on it.
It looks like it's colored.
Yeah, it looks like watercolors.
Sure.
All right.
Why don't we do it all in the
We are Mystery Power Box. Let's see if we got 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no seeded vintage pack. But we did get Black Kyurem EX. What set is that from? That's one of the older ones, but it's a black and white set? Can anybody remember what set this is from? What symbol that is? Off the top of my head, I can't remember. And that makes me feel bad. Yeah. You can open those. Yep. But they have break cards and stuff in them.
Yo, last time you made me open the last one, I got
You got a good card. So maybe I'm doing you a favor.
Time, but you know.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. Guess the energy.
Magic.
Magic? You mean psychic?
No, not
Okay.
fairy.
Fairy. Okay, pink. So I'm going with fire. 3. All right. Holla! Aether Paradise, Vanillish, Gothita, Litwick, Fletchling, Carvana, Barboach, Reverse Helioptile, and oh, isn't that cute? A Comfy. Whoops. I hope it's still recording. Oh, it is good. My phone went stupid. She got that, and that's it. Boop. Good card for y'all, because I'm sweet that way. Yeah.
What's the concept?
Tree. About Tree Fitty. I'm going with electric, because electric is where it's at. Fire, because I suck. Okay.
I've never seen this card before.
That's Parallel City. Heliolisk, Sabrina's Suggestion, Torracat, Meowth, Geodude, Alolan Geodude actually, Grimer,
I still got nothing.
Pidgey, Bronzor, they're all white back then, Reverse Lavender Town, and a non-hollow Alolan Muck. I love Alolan Mucks, and she got
Nothing.
nothing at all. I can't think of a song with nothing. That's okay, I got nothing too. 1, 2, 3, 4, I declare a thumb war.
What's the rest of
Fire. Oh, what?
Then what's the rest of that thing? Like 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know. Anybody know what the rest of that is? Because I do not. Trumbeak. You don't see too many Trumbeaks. Ninjask, Pachirisu. I love that name. Hoppip, Carbink, Blitzel, Onyx, Chikorita Reverse, and Wigglytuff non-hollow. So, boo. These boxes are no good. They suck. But look at all the bulk I've got.
You got a rainbow.
Yeah, but for the most part, those boxes suck. Like, basically for the one, you're paying for the chance to pull an old pack of cards, but they never give you anything older than black and white, ever. Like, nobody in the history of ever has gotten like a base set out of those. Just for like example. Man, my stuff's all messed up and stuff. My stuff and stuff.
Trust me, I know your stuff's messed up. You haven't fixed this or anything.
I know, I'm lazy, y'all. I just keep putting stuff off. I haven't fixed where the tins fell.
Probably won't ever fix it.
Probably never get it fixed because I'm lazy. Y'all know what it's like? Man, I got 3 kids and I went shopping and I'm tired.
We had to go shopping with Keegan.
We had to go shopping with that little brat. He was so bad and he licked everything. If you guys don't see us for a while, it's because he ended up sick from licking the buggy handles at Walmart and the mall and like Rue 21 or Forever 21 or whatever the name of that stupid store. Oh my gosh, the fountain water. Here, throw this coin in and make a wish. Throw the coin in and drink like a fish? What? That kid is just... That water was green and full of money and spit and who knows what else. Nasty. Gonna get hepatitis.
It was pretty bad.
It was not. It was awful. Got great pictures though. I got some great, amazing pictures of him and his sister. It was cute. Yes, slash Pokey sister. We should go there and open cards in front of the fountain.
Yeah.
We'll go in an evening when there's like nobody there so you don't got to be embarrassed to open cards.
Yeah, let's go somewhere where nobody's there.
You know, we'll go when there's no one there.
Because I'm like her, I don't like to open packs in public or anything.
I don't mind opening packs in public, but I don't like talking to people. Unless you like Pokemon.
Unless you're a fan, if you come and talk to me and I don't know you, I'm immediately just gonna listen to what you say, and then whenever you leave, I'm probably gonna make fun of you behind your back. Just not the type of person. I'm sorry.
That's terrible.
Nobody's saying that.
You're a terrible person.
I know.
Tell them about your new book bag for school that your stupid father spoiled you with.
It was $100. It has Jack the Skeleton on it for Nightmare Before Christmas.
Yeah,
I
you all
said it.
heard that right. Her dad bought her a book bag. She's 10. $100 book bag for school because it has the freaking skeleton on it from The Nightmare Before Christmas.
You know, it's black and it's purple and it has the skeleton on it. Like, how can I not get
I mean, it's a hot backpack. I like it. But like, for real, she's 10.
Well, I'm about to be 11, so.
She had better walk down the freaking aisle with this book bag. Like, she's getting married. Oh, why's your daughter's beautiful white dress got purple? Oh, well, that's what's left of the $100 backpack her dad bought her for the 5th grade, 6th grade, whatever grade you're in. I'm telling you, people. I am not letting him shop with her anymore.
Oh, I also got a mug that says something really funny. They probably can't see it
Oh.
on YouTube.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, it says don't touch me because it's really
Yeah. He bought her a giant coffee mug. She don't drink coffee, but he bought it anyway.
I use it for water.
And it says, "Don't touch me, peasant."
Which, I mean,
He got me a mug too, but I can't tell you what it said.
I call my brother peasant all the time because I'm a really good sister.
I call your father a peasant all the time.
I called him peasant that one time whenever he brought me coffee.
Oh, that was great. Bring me coffee, peasant.
Yeah, I was like, oh, you brought me coffee, peasant.
He
Well,
brought
they
her
just
coffee.
everyone knows I was joking. Whatever.
No, she wasn't. She's a jerk.
I'm not that rude.
You're a Jerkosaurus Rex.
Look at this cute puppy.
You're a cute puppy.
You're a cute little puppy.
You guys want to see our puppy? Hang on. Ouch, don't run into me. Princess.
He's under the table.
Hey.
Hello.
Say hello, YouTube. Oh, she is a Basset Hound Great Dane mix, and she is so silly. Are you silly puppies? Oh, her pretty puppies. Say, I got big ears. Big old Basset Hound ears. Yes. Okay. Ah. Ugh. Yeah, as you can see, still haven't cleaned. Dude, dog, you stink. She smells like a dog. If y'all want to see something really funny, after a couple of days, this is what it looks like in our Pokemon area. Oh, there's our other dog. Daisy, come here. Come here. Come here, Daisy.
No.
Come here. There's our old girl. And there's our, oh, where'd she go? Maggie. Come here. Oh, there's Princess again.
Princess. Oh,
There's Maggie. Right there. That's Maggie. Oh, there's Daisy. Daisy is 13 and has the prettiest smile. No teeth. All right. So, now that you've met the crew,
Yeah.
we will be signing off. I have, oh, big news. We have count them, 2 booster boxes of Unified Minds on their way to us soon. Can you all please stop? They're walking through our pile of Pokemon trash. But anyway, we have 2 booster boxes of Unified Minds on the way to open live for you guys. I don't know whether we'll do live or whether we'll do a video. Could go either way. We'll have to look into it. We've never done live before. That might be a good time to do it. It'll have to be in the middle of the night when everybody's asleep though. So anyway, check us out. We'll be back in a couple of days with good things. All good things. Bye!